This short guide shows how to buy shares of FST Corp, a company in advanced industrial manufacturing listed on NASDAQ under the ticker KBSX. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To place an order, you need a broker, and we use eToro here as the example platform to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker KBSX to find FST Corp on eToro. Choose the listing that matches the company name and NASDAQ exchange to proceed. On the stock page, review the basic company summary and the price chart to confirm you have the correct security. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker KBSX before continuing. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may become pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order is executed, you will see the new position appear in your portfolio. For the exact platform link, check the video description.